All right, so there is the car of my parents. We are at the. All right, go down. All right, so got a new gimbal. So there is a Corvette. We're downtown Jackson, Michigan. The first car show of the year downtown. We got another car coming in over here. It's a race car. Real nice. Chevy pickup truck. Camaro over there. Look at that. Let me get out of his way before I get hit. All right, so they're in the process. Everybody's parking, getting set up. This officially kicks off at 5 o'clock. Goes till 7. I'm here till 6 when my ride comes to get me. So they're rolling in. A lot of guys are not able to park in their normal spot because of where the food trucks are. So we've got elephant ears and corn dogs. All right, so hand-dipped corn dogs. Look at that. Nice looking setup. They're not open yet. So they got music going on over here at the main stage. So we've got Italian ice, pretzels, walking tacos, barbecue sandwiches, Iceman's concession. How you guys doing?
Doing great. How are you?
Not bad. Where are you guys from?
Right here in Jackson.
Woo!
Iceman concessions all over Jackson.
All right, man. Well, I'm gonna have to check you guys out. I do some YouTube stuff in town, and so we'll have to get you guys. Where you guys normally set up at?
I'm all over the place. Any small
Okay.
town fair or festival.
Okay.
On Facebook under Iceman concessions.
Okay.
I'm going to be doing, let's see what's next. I got the Michigan Center Carb Carnival coming up,
Okay.
Grass Lake Traffic Jamming,
Okay.
Conroe
Yep.
Classic Weekend,
Yep.
Hanover 4th of July,
Okay.
I mean, all over.
You got time to answer 2 questions?
Sure.
What's the benefit of running your own small business?
I make the decisions, so I stand and fall by them.
Okay.
So the only pressure I put on myself is what I put on myself.
Right.
Second thing is if it's not broken, don't fix it.
Okay.
Because if it's working, it's
Right.
working.
All right,
And,
nice.
I love the independence.
Okay, and then so what's the second question is what's the challenge of running your own small business?
Being self-disciplined.
Okay.
Being persistent.
Right.
And being organized to take care of what you're supposed to take care of.
Awesome, man. Well, thanks for your time. We'll catch you around sometime
All
soon.
right, have a good day.
Yep, bye-bye.
Hey guys.
All right. So here's a friend of the channel. So remind me, what did you say was new on the menu?
Crab Ragoon.
Crab rangoon. So what exactly is that?
So it's cream cheese, crabs, scallions, and a little
Like in a
chili paste.
like in a egg roll?
like an egg roll.
Okay, awesome.
Yep. It's just like the little
Right.
dumplings you get, but I made it
Right.
into a full
Okay.
egg roll.
Okay. Cool. Nice. Look at that. Ooh, she's getting all set up. She's down. She's going to be doing business. We'll catch you later. All right. So, we got more cars rolling in. Let's go over here and hit Tiki Sam's up. So we got Knights of Columbus setting up something barbecue over here. There's another barbecue thing. Barbecue for athletics. I'll have to check that out in a second. Yeah, she's doing that. She's doing a crab ragoon egg roll.
Well, it said walking taco.
No, I'm talking about the one that's behind. Yes. He's going to be out at the traffic jamming and at the Carb Carnival this year too.
How crazy
boss.
How you doing, my guy?
Not bad. Anything special on the menu for tonight?
No special pizzas tonight.
So tonight is the normal menu.
Yep.
And I'm gonna get that here in a second. I still haven't got around to editing last week's video yet, so I'm.
Yeah, the regular menu, but it's gonna be a great night.
Woo! They're gonna be kicking it out. So what would be probably the hottest item that you would suggest somebody check out at an event like this?
Spicy or
No, just as your hottest seller.
dill pickle?
The dill pickle pizza? All right. We'll catch you guys soon.
Sounds good.
All right.
Edit me out talking on my phone.
So we got vendor over here. We've got Taste of Easter Dreams. Looks like a foster parent group. Alro Plastics is a big sponsor of these events. Got some race cars there. So let's head up this way and catch this loop. Oh, so this is what they're doing. They're advertising the Special Olympics barbecue contest. You guys got a second to kind of like promote your event?
Randy, he's right around the corner. Randy Coleman.
What?
Hey, you got a chance to promote your event coming up for me?
Hey, yeah. So I'm Randy Coleman. I'm from Special Olympics. I'm the area director for Jackson County, which is
Nice.
Area 19. So we've got a great fundraiser coming up June 15th, which is Saturday, and it's a competition barbecue. We're still looking for more teams. We have room for 10 or 12 teams, so we still have room. We're also hosting the Michigan Amateur Cornhole Tournament as well, too.
Nice.
So everything's going to be at the American One Event Center. We're going to have 32 lanes of cornhole set up inside, and we're going to have 5 divisions. We've got open division, we got
Nice.
singles, we got ladies, juniors, and seniors. And we're actually for the singles. We're about 50 entries away from that filling up, so you need to hurry up and get your entries in, as well as doubles. And then for that whole event that Saturday, we're going to have over $5,000 in payouts.
Well, awesome. Awesome. Thanks for your time.
All right, thank you.
Yep, so we got somebody setting up over here. Knights of Columbus. What are you guys cooking tonight?
Hamburgers, hot dogs, nachos,
Okay.
nachos with cheese,
All right. Awesome.
Knights of Columbus.
Right. Great luck. Great. Have a great night, guys.
Town.
Slide behind you, Chief. Look at that. We got a nice Corvette over here. A newer one. We've got a nice modified classic vintage there. We got this car right here. This Trans Am is from my era as a kid. I was a big fan of Smokey and the Bandit. Look at that. Woo! So now this generally happens the final Friday of each month of the summer. So generally as we roll in towards Labor Day, that is the last event of the season. So tonight is beautiful weather-wise, so we got a huge turnout. Just look at this stuff. Ooh. Look at these cars. Ooh, I like that one. So those that are in the know like to park where they can get out of the sun. So these guys over here are in the trees. Look at that. So you also get some natural shade from some of the different types of buildings. My parents like to park down by the old hotel because as the sun sets, the shade gets more and more as a positive for them. So we got a Torino up here. Nice Ford over there. I like that. Look at that. Ooh. So somebody's trying to sell their Mini Cooper. Lovely truck coming in up here. Look at that.
library.
The Trans Am rolling in. So it's blocked off up here at Blackstone, which is kind of the north side of downtown. Got another vintage car rolling in here. Got some Mustangs and some other Trans Ams and some other stuff up this way. I'm not going to walk up the far because we got a lot to run. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. So let's go catch the other side of the street. Looks like we've got a car hauling unit that's trying to get out of the path of everybody. So this is the first time using this power pack and tripod, and I feel like I'm getting a lot better camera control. More Corvette stuff. Nice looking Camaro up here. So virtually all of downtown is blocked off for today's event this afternoon and evening. Cannot ask for a better way to kick off the summer than tonight. There's also another food truck festival happening across town that we're just not going to be able to make it to this time. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. So if you are a lover of vehicles and food, this is an event to consider. Ooh, look at this. We've got a black Stingray for sale for only $63,500. Wow, that's tempting. That is tempting. Another Corvette. Look at this Jeep. Woo, that's nice. Another little Fiat over here. Looks like somebody didn't get their car out of the parking spot in time. A 74 Charger. Something going in there. I don't know what that's for. So let's go over here and check out the parking lot. This is where the Avengers rolled into a few weeks ago. Another Stingray over here. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at the engine, the headers on that puppy. Man. Look at that. Nice.
On a black grill cover, it's a white string.
Huge turnout tonight. May end up having to just add music over this because I hadn't had a chance to get a microphone yet. So the big camera is down, so there's not going to be a lot of photos this year from this event. So we will see. We might do so. I'm assuming this year it's going to be just strictly all video. There's the stars of the evening. Nice Mustang. Another Trans Am. Ooh, look at that Ford. Look at the cars up that way. Look at that. Ooh. Nice. Love that paint job. Look at that. Alright, so we're going to skip that section and go down here and hit the street. Sorry if we missed your car.
Perfect.
Excuse me, how you guys doing?
Good. How you doing?
Oh, we're having a fantastic afternoon. All right. So let's get out of their way. Still, I've got some cars that didn't get moved. Oh, that screams class right there, the Impala. Look at that. Got a Porsche over here. Love the stacks on that truck. Nice little truck with a nice little tailgate. I gotta say, guys, this is the best use of a hitch I've seen.
That's not a hitch.
Well, I just didn't want to call it.
You're not gonna tow nothing with this.
You guys have a good one. All right, so we got a Mustang driving by us. We got a Chevelle over here. Another Chevy over here. Black Daddy. That nice. There's a van over here. So up here is the one of the sponsors, and looks like they've got the trophies. That's an interesting jalopy, whatever that is, very futuristic looking.
That's kind of like that.
There's the Downtown District Authority, and they've got the trophies for tonight's stuff. Guess we're gonna go this way because of the traffic. People are trying to park or turn around. It's interesting. I don't know how he can handle that sucker. It just doesn't look like it handles well. Got an hour before I gotta get in position for my ride. So this runs over to Pearl Street. There's another classic icon, the boat car. Oldsmobile over here. Another MG of some sort. So let's cross the street over here. A couple nice looking cars over there.
I said unless you want to borrow a
CX-5.
yeah. And I was like, I'm not allowed to drive anything.
No, I got to think, I can drive it. Grandpa did have a truck.
Look at that. Ooh. It's a Ford of some sort. Another Corvette over here. Look at that. Ooh. Those are my favorite. Look at that. The lines on that puppy. It's a silver one over here. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
They had all these kids blocked off. No parking.
Look at that. I like that orange. Look at that. So we got another MG over there of some sorts. Trans Am and a Chevrolet. There's a Mercury. Look at that. Got a Shelby Mustang. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that bad boy. Corvette parking the wrong way. That. That's sharp.
But like Friday.
How are you? Do you need a full water? All right.
Lock cars?
Yeah, that's not.
Yeah, there you go.
Look at this smoker. Check that out. What are you guys cooking on the smoker?
We've got Italian sausages. This is Hawaii, and we have hot dogs. We have ribs.
Awesome. What? How long? When did you guys have to haul this in? Like this afternoon or this morning?
No, we brought it out here at 2:30 in the afternoon.
It's probably a good time.
Yep.
Catch you later. Thank you. So they're out cooking some good stuff. They've got some great curbside options going on outside of Bellanote tonight. Look at those cars. And the crowds aren't even here yet. I'm assuming at 5 o'clock they're going to start rolling in. This place gets packed, so it's 4:51 currently. How's the Good Humor Bar? Good. Look at that. Look at that. Nice, nice. Oh, where's that? I don't see it.
71? Nine?
Let's see one of our contacts tonight.
Which one is he?
Peter Jackson, Habitat for Humanity. What kind of project do you guys have going on?
Well, we are raffling off the golf cart,
Okay.
Habitat for Humanity, to raise money to build a home for a veteran.
Oh, awesome. When is the drawing? Is that tonight or later this summer?
Later on, in June.
Awesome. You guys have a great afternoon.
You too.
All right, so they're raising funds for a house for a veteran here in town. All right. So, got a truck rolling in here. Look at that. Chevy. So it looks like they're extending the shutdown zone. Chlingo's over here. Got some cars down this way. How's it going? So Century 21 is setting some stuff up. Look at that. Alrighty, where are you? I wonder if something happened. One of our contacts said he'd be down here at 4, but I haven't found him yet. I'll have to check out the phone here in a little bit. I wonder if he went to the other event, because one of the other guys that was supposedly signed up for that isn't there, or is he? I hear music a street over. I wonder if he's over there. I don't see anything down the alleyway.
Yeah.
That out. Look at that. Love that Bronco. Ooh, look at that. Oh boy. I've talked to the owner of this car out at Brooklyn last year. That's a big boy.
Hey, that door.
Not bad. Not bad.
I mean, we enjoy it. We enjoy the color. It's just hard to keep it clean. Well,
smell the food already from over here. Our main.
Yeah, he collects keys.
Yeah. So if you ever come across any old keys, let me know.
Yeah.
Have to get over there next week.
Right.
You know.
Well, it could be, yeah.
So we got the Rotary.
DDAs, the folks who put these on.
So give me one more time. Give me your spiel.
So we're selling 50-50 tickets
Right.
for the Rotary Club.
She has a car that
And we're sharing the profits with the Jackson DDA. That's the Downtown Development Authority. They're the folks who put on the cruising.
Awesome.
So, looking forward to having a good time
Yeah.
today.
And there's our assistant. Can you wave for me?
Yeah.
There we go. Nice to see you guys.
Thank you.
Yep. Bye bye.
That's what they fall apart after a while.
Well,
And then it ruins the drum.
it's only that one spot.
Hey, $200, you got it fixed. Maybe 400. That's it.
It's at the point where it's just all these other things.
That's fine.
Tyler.
I know what you did.
Well, you can understand that
Turner's on it. So it's-
when the native male shipment
Yeah, they just disabled that.
But well, just as my dad's pizza was being put in the oven, my alarm clock went off, and it is time to call it an evening, friends. I've got a ride on the way to get myself back to the bunker to get this video together and get it out. This has been the Baird. This has been the first car show of the 2024 season by the Downtown Business Authority. And so remember, if you're still watching us, to like, subscribe, ding the bell for notifications. If the gentleman that I was having a conversation with earlier subscribes, it was nice to meet you. I think it was Steve. I'm bad with names, but it was great to chat with you. So let's go get some more footage as we head. All right, so we're gonna make our way back over to the side of downtown. That.